7 ways you can easily make a website. And I'll break them down one by one. I made a list right here for you. So let's go right now. The first one is GoDaddy. So if you have ever bought a domain with GoDaddy, they offer you a free, at least as of right now, it's a free 30-day website. And that is literally super easy to set up. Now, it's not super like complex, like the shopping side of it and the calendar side of it is not the best. But if you're looking for just a presence online, definitely check it out. You can set it up within a few hours or even a day if you're a little bit not as used to like actually like typing out descriptions as well as adding photos. Maybe you don't have those assets yet. So it's going to take a little bit more time to get that together. You can use stock photo too. So be mindful of that. So you can use a ChatGPT to get your descriptions as well as help you build out the content. So utilize that. I'll put the information down below so you have that as well, that you can easily find those, as well as anything else that I put in this video that can help you get there faster on building your website. So the next one is a Shopify site. Shopify, I've had for many years now. I've used it as my website, and I don't do a lot of product sales through my websites. I usually do them through funnels, or I do them directly from my page. And with the Shopify site, it is basically built around products or services that you post, mostly products. So like if you have a cosmetic company, if you have a clothing company, if you're selling like food or catering or whatever it is, you can easily set up a Shopify site, put up the products, and then give people a way to actually check out your items and make your adjustments on the color, the size, the quantity, and everything is built in there. And it's a really, really nice ecosystem for products. You can also put it across your networks easily through Shopify because they do have modules that connect to your social media. But I love it just because the simplicity of setting it up. It's really easy to use and get like even a couple products out just to put on a page. It's going to be already like set up nicely. They have a ton of different options where you can get free templates as well as paid templates. It is just a really nice interface in general. They have a lot of options they built in. It's super easy to use, and you can literally get up your site within a day or two. So highly recommend Shopify. Number 3, social media sites. And why did I say social media sites? Because essentially you don't even need a website. You can literally just open up a social media site, just put it under your brand name or your business name, and just share like 20 photos of what you do. Like, what is your product? How can they reach you? And there are now forms built into things like Instagram, or you can ask people to DM you, or you can add a link to contact you directly through email. So you don't essentially need a website. You can share your Instagram site to anybody really simply by just using a QR code that they provide you. You can do the same thing with TikTok. Facebook is a closed network, so you have to have a Facebook account to actually see your Facebook page. So Instagram would be perfect for this. TikTok would be perfect for this. So definitely utilize that platform for your webpage. You don't have to learn to build a webpage. You don't have to pay for one. You can just use social media. All right, so now we've got StanSite. Now this one I absolutely love because I could build quick funnels like within minutes. I could build recurring subscription income models from it. I can take coaching calls, and then people can pay me for the call. I can put downloadables that people can buy, and then it instantly gives them access to the downloadable. I can sell courses, and they can instantly get the course access directly in the StanSite. And all this I can do within a couple minutes from my phone, which is so easy to set up. It's also like a link tree, so you can have all your different links and then move them around and make them look the way you want to look. But again, I can do it all from my phone. I don't need my computer to do it, and I can do it within minutes. So I highly recommend checking out StanSite, and I'll put my link below where you can get a free trial on that too. All right, so definitely take advantage of that. Okay, so I'll put that down below. All right, so now we've got Clickfunnels. I love Clickfunnels, and I hate Clickfunnels. Why do I love and hate it? Because you cannot use it on your cell phone. You have to do it on your computer. So if I'm traveling, if I'm out, if I just need to put up a quick payment, I have to go get my computer, which is annoying, especially because I am constantly on the go. I'm constantly moving. I I don't essentially set up everything I need instantly, especially if somebody on my team needs a different payment option. It's not so easy to do in ClickFunnels. That really is a sit down project, and it takes me about anywhere from 3 days to a few weeks to actually have a page built out or hire somebody to build out a page, which essentially will make it look a lot more professional. It is also a huge learning curve, especially if you don't know ClickFunnels. It's going to take you about 30 days to learn the platform and all the ins and outs. And it can cost you a lot more time and money as well to learn exactly what is right for your industry. There are so many different funnel options that you can use on ClickFunnels, which is a really good tool for exactly the business that you're in. But again, it is a learning curve. You can hire somebody to build you a ClickFunnels site, which I highly recommend, because it does take a lot of time, money, and energy to actually learn it yourself, to make it look professional. It is a skill. All right. But with ClickFunnels, you can have the upsells, you can have the downsells. It looks really professional once you get it out and running. You can add video, you can add anything you can possibly think of on capturing people's emails, so following up with them. It is the number one software for actual like getting a sale on a specific product. Now, this isn't like a website. This is like actually drilling your traffic down to a specific action into buying a specific product or buying a specific service. Okay, that is what this is good for. All right, so if you just have one program that you sell, if you just have one product to sell, and you do enjoy building out websites, if you want to learn more about that, you can get a free trial on ClickFunnels as well, and I will provide the information down below. I do use ClickFunnels as much as I use StanSites, but again, it's more for something that's a little bit longer term, like my coaching services, whereas my StanSite is really just trying out new things. It's quickly changing something. It's quickly trying new options and new package prices, which I can literally do from anywhere. So basically think of it this way. StanSite is like for your testing, and ClickFunnels is for further development. All right. Next one is Kajabi site. Now, the Kajabi site is essentially for courses. I really love this software as well because it's super easy to set up. They've got a really nice look. In fact, I like the look of the Kajabi sites over ClickFunnels and the Stan site. Stan is really native to a phone. It looks like a phone platform, which is fine because most people do buy through their phone, and it fits perfectly on their phone. Kajabi can fit perfectly on the phone too, but you have to build out the site through the desktop. You can also access all the courses right through your phone. It keeps it really super easy. Any course that you've ever bought on Kajabi, you can get straight on their app. It does look very professional and very nice. It also has email campaigns. You can follow up with people. You can take payment straight through the Kajabi. Again, really nice option, and I will get you any type of deals or anything that they have on that. I think there is a free trial on that too, but it's been a little while since I looked on that. But I'll put the links and stuff below for you. All right, so the next one. This is WordPress. Now, this is going to take a little bit more time with WordPress. It does have a ton of different plugins. It's not my favorite, especially because all the other options are so much better, but you can do a lot with WordPress, and you can literally build a custom website for whatever you need. It can look pretty much like whatever you want it to without having to hard code it, like with HTML and CSS and JavaScript. You can skip all of that with plugins with WordPress, and you can essentially like piece it together however you want to grow it out. I had WordPress for many, many years. It's not my favorite platform because since it does have a lot of plugins need to be updated, or you have to buy each plugin separate. So it becomes a mess with paperwork, especially if one plugin expires and the other one has changed. It can change your whole format of your website, and you might essentially have to rebuild it a lot more often than you would on the other platforms that I've already went over. So just be mindful of that. It is also a learning curve as well, but it does have a lot of things that you can put in or plug in where it's not an option for these other types of sites because they don't have those plugin modules. So WordPress is great if you get it through GoDaddy. So I have bought it through GoDaddy and built out sites through GoDaddy on WordPress, and it works perfectly fine. So if you do go the WordPress routes, it's a free software, but you do still have to pay for the hosting, and GoDaddy is perfect for that. So just have them set it up, and then you can go ahead and pick out your WordPress theme and just go from there. Add in your plugins that you would like and build out your site, or have somebody else build it out on a service like Fiverr. So again, I'll put all this information and resources down below for you. So check those out. Definitely try out the stand site. You're going to easily be able to set that up day one. If you're looking to like just start making money, I highly recommend starting with stand site. The second one is go invest in the Clickfunnels course, the 30-day challenge, which again, I'll put the information down below. Take that if you're looking to learn how to build like a bigger, more complex funnel for your product or service. And then from there, you can get into like your Kajabi, where you would build out your courses, which I highly recommend using those in combination with your ClickFunnels or your stand site. And like I said, if you just want to build it all in Kajabi, you can do that too. But again, those are my top ones. If you're just looking for like a basic website that runs like a website that actually shows like a whole array of products, definitely check out Shopify. I use that as my main website at amena.co. You can go check that out. It's amena.co. And it's been serving that site well for many years now, but it's just because it looks very professional. I can change it out with different elements that is all provided within Shopify. So if that's more what you're looking for, you can use that. But I use a combination, as you can tell, for all different things that I currently do. And depending on your needs right now, go ahead and pick the one right for you. I hope this information helps. Again, check out the resources below, and I'll see you on the next video.